We got sweet potatoes. Hey everyone, it's Keith from HOMERIGHT. Today we got a few things to take care of here in the garden. First and foremost, we got some beds that just need to get cleaned up, and then finally we got to start dealing with these sweet potatoes. I think we're gonna harvest, I think we got 3 bags of them that I want to get up, but we're gonna see how all that goes and see if we can get it all done today. Alright, this cucumber here is all done. These ones were in grow bags this year. They worked out pretty good for us, but as you can see, its time has come to an end. So let's go and clean this trellis up, get these bags all cleaned up, and start making room for the next thing. I'll take these grow bags here, this dirt, get them into some of the raised beds there, and get rid of these cucumber vines, of which Oscar seems to be helping me by chewing them up and enjoying them at the moment. It's time now to finally take care of these sweet potato bags. I got 3 15-gallon grow bags, and it's been about 140 days since we planted. I think we had 6 slips in each bag. So the vines, as you can see, they're heading all the way down into that fence line there where the raspberries are. Now some of these vines, I'm going to harvest those leaves and we'll just put them into a stir fry. They're almost, to me, they're almost better than spinach. So, but first task at hand is to start cleaning out and get ready for these sweet potato bags. All right, first thing I'm going to do is cut the vines away right here at this bag. Then I'll deal with all the other vines that are trellising down the hill here after I get this bag out of the way. My Lord. Oh, we got sweet potatoes. Those are the ones that came through on the roots there. But still, if you look at the bottom, yeah, roots are going to come through on these grow bags. But the grow bags are still holding up pretty good. Let's see what we got. One.
One.
You can eat those. So in total, a little over 44 pounds out of 3 grow bags, 15-gallon grow bags each, with 6 slips in each grow bag.
So this is what we do with the leftover dirt from the sweet potato bags. Since our raised beds were getting low, we're just pouring the extra dirt into these raised beds.
Alright, so I've taken care of the vines that were right by the bags, took care of the small trellis, and so now I got to deal with getting the rest of these. But along the way, I got to keep my eyes out for, let me show you. Things like this. Just these vines, just like they would do. We're going to go and we're going to find ourselves some more sweet potatoes along the way. So I'm just going to carefully dig these up as we go, and we'll see how much more to add to the supply. Alright, so all sweet potato vines have been cleaned up, and I know there's going to be some volunteer sweet potatoes that are going to show up because I didn't get them all, but there was still a decent amount that was in the ground. And then I got myself some of the sweet potato leaves that we'll stir fry those up tonight with dinner and make a good side dish. All in all, pretty good sweet potato harvest. We're going to let these cure up for about 30 days and then we'll be good to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next video.